Real-world examples of functions, non-functions, and relations are not difficult to find. This video will cover a few of the examples. The first example is of a snack machine. The argument could be made that this could also be considered both a function or a non-function, as well as the fact that it is definitely a relation, because your input is the money and the code for whichever purchase you want to make, and the output would be the purchase. An argument for the fact that it is a function is because each time you put in a unique code, you get a different item as an output. However, in some cases, you could also look at it as this. If you pay $1 for two different items, your input is $1, and therefore you are getting your input is $1 both times, therefore your input repeats. So this could be have an argument made for it to be both a function and for it to be a non-function. A thermometer and the conversion formulas that go with that would definitely be a function, because whenever you input a number, let's say you input 0 on the Fahrenheit scale, it's going to give you only one output for Celsius and vice versa. So this would definitely be a function. Square roots. Square roots of perfect squares technically have two different answers. So if your input is square root of, say, 1, your output is going to be 1 and -1. So for that input, you're going to have two outputs. Therefore, your domain repeats, and this would be a non-function. Dollar store. This would be considered a non-function. If you go to a dollar store that literally does sell everything for $1, that would be a non-function, because your input would repeat. Every time you put in $1, you could buy anything in the store. So that would be a non-function. Remember, a relation is a function if the domain or the input does not repeat with a different output.